everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create an AFE PO in the ticketed platform. So before creating your first AFE PO, you need to have at least one rate group set up. So if you go to admins and then you click on rate groups, you at least have to have one rate group created before you can actually create an AFE PO. So the reason is the rate group contains all of your labor, equipment, and material pricing, and it will be linked to the AFEPO. This ensures the correct items and pricings are available when creating tickets. So let's get started. Navigate to the AFEPO page, right on the left-hand side of the screen here on this menus, and then once on the page, look for the Add AFEPO button. Now, it is important to mention that there's two ways to create an AFEPO. You can create the AFEPO customer specific. This option ties the AFEPO to any specific customer from the beginning. Or you can create an open AFEPO. This option allows you to create an AFEPO and it remains open and not tied to a customer initially. In this case, the customer can be selected later when you create tickets. So if you want to create a customer-specific AFEPO, click on the customer drop-down and assign it to a specific customer. If you want to create an open AFEPO, then you will have to select the any customer option and continue, right? So now the next drop-down is the rate group. You can associate this AFEPO to a rate group. So I'm going to select my rate group here. Select my customer, and then the next thing is for you to enter your AFEPO number. So I'm going to enter my AFEPO number here, right? You also have a description field where you can enter a brief description of the AFEPO. You have fields like project number if needed, right? And you notice here that we have an AFEPO budget field. This field is automatically calculated and it rolls up from the budget assigned to the jobs created under this AFEPO. So as you create jobs and as you assign budgets to them, those amounts will automatically be total and displayed in this field, right? You have a start date field that you can select the date that this project will start. So you can see the status is set to active, so you can leave it as is. You have fields like running costs and a note section here for your AFEPO. So finally we come to the coding section and the markup section. So on the coding section you have fields like work order number, major GL, and on the markup section is to set your percentage based on fees and markups. So you have an admin fee percentage that you can set up to whatever amount you need to set it up for, and the third-party markup. So every time you add third-party charges in the system, it will automatically add the markup that you enter here for that for all tickets created on this under this AFEPO, right? So once you have all the information that you need for your AFEPO, all you have to do is simply click on the create button here. You get this message that your AFEPO has been created successfully, and now you can see it here, right at the very top. You can see the AFEPO there. I'm sorry, it's this one right here. It's this one right here at the very bottom. It's already been created. You can see things like on the table. You can see things like AFEPO number, the status, the rate group that is the AFEPO associated to, the customer, if it was linked to a customer. If it wasn't, then it will say any customer here, the date that it will start, and other things that you might need to see, right? Like work order, cost center, project number, major GL, and this percentage computation that will be automatically updated once you start creating tickets against these against the jobs under this AFEPO, and it will roll up to your AFEPOs. All right. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.